Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ravi Thava Programming. So in this video actually I will call how can we use the other classes uh, into our main class. So what happens is like if you will start working on a particular project, for example, if this is a project for something, let's say this is a project of some registration process, for example, right? For example, this is a project for the registration process or something related to some software. So this program actually calls the multiple other classes and the object from the different places, and these classes, the attributes and the behavior, which is methods inside those classes, combinedly function to achieve one single goal, right? So how do we do that, right? If you will write that whole program into one class, you are not going to learn it. For example, this is for the employee registration, this is for the user registration, this is for the database operation, maybe this is something for the UI, this is something do some utility operations, this is maybe for the logging, this is something like that, right? Combinedly it is called from the main method of something, or it is maybe it is uh, deployed into the server and it is calling. So how we are going to do that, this is just the example, right? uh, Not example in a business way, but how you are going to call the different classes in your main class or some other environment. That what I'm going to explain this. So if you see this argument example, so this where is it, this argument example, or let's say let's take some. Okay, so these are actually the classes with the main method. So I have to create actually a separate class for that. So let me create one new class. Uh, let's say public class arithmetic operation. So I'm saying public int and right. So I will say take first number, second int, second number, and I will return first number plus second number. Fine, so I'll save it. Arithmetic Java, right? So let me call it here arithmetic continue dot, and let's pass 2 and 3 and see. So I am returning this from the same method, so I have to pass it inside. Either I could use this variable result That is also fine, that's not the problem. So that out dot println result. Right, the result is 5. So because this is we are getting from the command line argument, so we have to pass, otherwise it will give you the index out of mod exception. So this is how it works, and we could actually create as many as we want the object of this class and call it multiple times. For example, you don't have to create the object a second time. So 3 and 3, and if we compile it, okay, result is already declared, so we don't have to declare it again. It will just reassign the value. Test see, right? Something like this. So this is how it works, and I also wanted to, we could actually create some other classes, some other methods and the behavior as well. So for example, if I want to call subtraction first number, second number, we have to pass the first number, larger than the number, let's say subtraction see, this is also working. Like this you could create whole new uh, application. So what if I want to call this method inside this? That is also possible. And so in some cases, for example, if I want to do like this is a bit, first number is, I mean, this is logical operator that I am using. Second number, if first number is greater than second number, then use subtraction. If you see the, I mean, this will come later, but just for the explanation, I am just using it. First number, comma, second number, right? Else, obviously, uh, use this. For this, we have to use a third variable, int equal to 0, result equal to first second number, return result. So indentation is very important, because if you will not use the current indentation, then your program will become clumsy and it's very difficult to understand it. So I would always recommend that take some time and use a good indentation. So This is much better looking. Chilled is this. Let's see. I'm passing. It will automatically do as per the logic. So and then see. So if I will pass instead of 4, if I will pass 3, and then it will just do the, in that case I have to actually call this, let's say calculate, right? So instead of subtraction, more generic, not this, calculate, and calculate, right? So not this, Java arithmetic line number 20, carton, calculate, okay, this one. See, right, it is taking the decision based upon its own value. So this is how you could write some more programs. This is the end of this video. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for the more videos like this. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching.